Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Dear students, today we are going to dive deep into the world of linear equations. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But before you start yarning, let me assure you that linear equations are more exciting than they sound. First of all, we shall try to learn what is exactly a linear equation. Okay? So please write down the definition of linear equation first, then I shall explain it in detail to you. Linear equation. What is linear equation? What I say very carefully, only then you'll be able to understand or comprehend the concept of linear equation in mathematical terms. Linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is always 1. It does not exceed 1, or you can say the exponent of the variable does not exceed 1. Linear equation, I repeat for the sake of your better comprehension, linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now we shall learn what is the standard form of the linear equation. The standard form of a linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0. Okay? Here, x is a variable, b is constant, and a is the coefficient of the variable x. A is the coefficient of variable x. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Any further explanations required?
No, sir.
So let's move on. Okay, here x and y are variables. Remember this very clearly. X and y are variables. And a and b are the coefficients of x and y respectively. And c is the constant term. This is the standard form of a linear equation in one variable, and this is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables. Did you understand it up to here?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to repeat anything?
No, sir.
Okay. Friends, we have a pair of linear equations here. X plus y is equal to 5. This is the equation first. And 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is the equation second. Okay?
Yes.
We have to solve this pair of linear equations first by elimination method and then using substitution method. Okay? First of all, I would like to tell you something about elimination method. What is elimination method? When we apply elimination method to solve this pair of linear equations, we have the first step taken by us should be to equalize. We need to equalize the coefficient of either variable x or variable y. Choice is 100% yours. Okay? Now you tell me, should we equalize the coefficient of y or x? I leave it to you. Okay. So for making the coefficient of x equal in equation first and in equation second, we multiply equation first by 2 and second by 1. Listen to me. When you multiply this equation first by 2, it becomes something like 2 into x,
2x.
2 into y,
2y.
2 5s are
10.
10. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So we write here, for making the coefficient of x equal in equation first and second. In equation first and second, we multiply equation first by 2. Equation first by
2.
and second by 1. Okay, listen to me and look at the board. When you multiply this equation first by 2, it becomes 2 into x, 2x, okay, plus 2 into y, 2y. And when you multiply this constant term by 2, it becomes 2 5s are 10. Now this is the equation third. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Now equation second is to be multiplied by 1. So it remains the same. When you multiply any number by 1, does it make any difference? No, not at all. No way. So when you multiply this equation second by 1, it becomes 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now when you multiply this equation second by 1, it becomes here equation 4. Is it clear up to here?
Yes.
Now I want to ask you people a very simple question, and I hope you will answer it well. Why do we make the coefficient of one variable equal? When you equalize the coefficient of one variable here, it gets eliminated. Is that clear? But signs need to be changed here. 2x, 2x. Both have a positive sign. Therefore, it is not possible to eliminate them. In order to achieve this objective, we have to change the signs throughout the equation. What is the sign here? Positive. It needs to be changed into negative. What is the sign here?
Negative.
We should change it into
Positive.
And what is the sign here?
Positive.
We shall change it into
Negative.
okay. Now 2x, 2x gets eliminated. Okay. When you subtract 4 from 10, it becomes 6. When you add 2y and 3y, it becomes
5.
so 5y is equal to 6. We have to find the value of y. So here it is 5y is equal to 6. Y is equal to
6.
y 6 by 5.
6 minus
5 is the coefficient of y. When we take it from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes divided by. So 6 by 5 is the value of
y.
So thus we are able to find the value of y. Now we have to find the value of x. In order to do this, we substitute. We shall substitute the value of y in equation first. What is the equation first?
X plus y is equal to 5.
X plus y is equal to 5. Okay? X implies x plus y. Now we know the value of y. We know the value of y. What is the value of y?
6 by 5.
6 by 5. So instead of writing y, we shall write here 6 by 5 is equal to 6 by 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Now, let us separate the constant term and variable term. We have to find the value of x. X is equal to 5 minus. Here it is having positive sign. When we take this value from left hand side to right hand side, its sign will get changed. So it will become something like 6 minus 6 by 5. Now, applying the cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. 5 5s are
25.
25 minus 6 1s are
6.
divide by 5 1s are
5.
5. When you subtract 6 from 25, it becomes 19 by 5. Therefore, x is equal to 19 by
5.
y is equal to
6 by 5.
thus we are able to find the values of x and
Y.
y. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
I think it is enough for the day, and tomorrow by the grace of Almighty Allah we shall solve the same pair of linear equations by using the substitution method. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Have a nice time.